Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to be making a simple cabinet build for a good friend of mine. They just had their baby a few months back, and as a gift we asked them what they wanted, and they had everything they needed, but knowing I'm a woodworker, they asked if I could build them a cabinet, and we definitely said yes. They sent us a picture of what they were looking for and some adjustments that need to be made, and off we went. Building this cabinet out of one single sheet of plywood and one sheet of 1/4 inch plywood, along with some poplar edge banding, and using pocket holes for construction, keeping it simple with one adjustable shelf and a hanging rod up top. Here I left the sides of the cabinet a 1/4 of an inch higher, just this way I could put the pocket holes on the top, and then put a finished panel, a 1/4 inch panel on top of that as well, and then hide that seam with poplar edge banding. This way there's no pocket holes visible after. I decided to use biscuits to attach the face frame. The plywood had a few bows in it at a few spots, and I just felt this would make the installation much easier, keep everything aligned. It worked pretty well. It did what it was supposed to do. Use clamps to hold it in place, and that was it until the glue dried. And that wraps this cabinet job up. Hopefully you learned something from it. If you got any questions or comments, you know where to leave them. And as always, have a great day and God bless.